Okay, SPB208A. This is the main control panel. So if you want to reuse the room in two locations, so for the first bay, A and B, you have to set that up prior to starting the projector system. So on this at the moment, the key number is and enter. You'll see a control panel then showing the room locations as they are, A, B, C, D. Okay, so the first panel, they're classing that as 1 and then 2. So if you want divider closed, just for the first 2, you just select the first one to open. Okay, and then you can see the screen divides are removed. If I just put that back on, you see the divide in place, and that's to open. Once that's done, those two blinds now will come down for the projector systems to work and link the two rooms together. The panel at the moment is set to 30 seconds, so that will default to off afterwards. Okay, so if I just turn that off for now and put the lock back on, and now if I press the start on this one, you'll see the first blind coming down for the screen, and also the second blind coming down for that screen as well. And that can be done across all the rooms. So at the moment now, on this room, the code is 2985 on that pod. And 2985 of those. So that's proving those two machines now are linked. So again, if we connect a HDMI and a laptop to the corner, or going by Solstice via the Wi-Fi, it'll project them to those two rooms as well. And that's the same for all four. So if we want to use all four items, all four AV desk setups, you have to turn this off first of all. So you have to close the system. That brings the first two up. Okay, so once they're closed, you have to prompt the system to tell you that you want all four machines on, all four projector systems on, prior to using the equipment. So go back into this. At the moment we've got A on B, so if we go to divide, divide and divide, so that's the whole room now open, and then lock that off. If I go back to the main control panel, turn those back on, you will now see all the blinds coming down the full length of the building. That's control from the one location. Obviously check that all the furniture is out of the way before you drop each one for each zone. And again, 2985, that'll be displayed and controlled from the first machine here. Just gives you the flexibility of walking around there with your laptop, using the Wi-Fi throughout the room. And again, just to turn that off, they're all linked together. So if you press the power button on those, all four blinds along the length of the room then will also be linked and return home.